Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to order ICSI study material online. First, navigate to the official website of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. Look for the academics or student section, which typically houses links to study resources. Having your student registration number handy will streamline the process significantly. This initial step ensures you are accessing authentic and up-to-date materials directly from the source, avoiding any third-party complications. Once on the main site, find the Online Services or Publications tab, usually located in the main navigation menu. From there, you will need to select your specific course level, whether it's Foundation, Executive, or Professional. This action filters the content to show only relevant materials. Take your time to browse through the subjects and their corresponding study modules to ensure you select exactly what you need for your examinations. After identifying the correct study materials, simply add them to your virtual shopping cart. It's a good practice to review your selections thoroughly before moving to the checkout page, confirming all items are correct. Pay attention to any special instructions or potential bundle offers that might save you money or provide additional resources. This step is crucial for ensuring you receive all the necessary books and guides for your studies. Finally, proceed to the secure payment gateway to finalize your order. You'll typically have several payment options, including major credit or debit cards and sometimes net banking. After a successful transaction, you will receive an order confirmation, usually via email. It's very important to save this confirmation and any tracking details provided. This ensures you can monitor your shipment and have proof of purchase if any issues arise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.